Mivi's new TWS earphone is in the market. Now you might be thinking, what is TWS? Here it is. TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo. With the development of Bluetooth technology, wireless earbuds have evolved into a very small size and cordless form factor. That we call it True Wireless Stereo or TWS. True Wireless Stereo uses Bluetooth signals, instead of wires or cables to transfer sound. Earbud 1 sends a signal to the source device, connects, and then the source device forwards the same signal onto Earbud 2, providing an immersive surround sound experience. Mivi launched their new TWS range earphone Mivi Duopods A25. Mivi Duopods A25 hit the market this May 2021 and are priced under 1,299 Indian rupees. Also, this is a Make in India product. Okay, one thing, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, please pause this video and hit the subscribe button. First, let's look into specifications. On the top of the box, Mivi Duopods A25 brand and model numbers are mentioned clearly. Important features are clearly mentioned in the front of the box. It's have deep and powerful bass, made in India, and Bluetooth 5.0 version. The product is very lightweight and this white case of this product is made with high quality plastic material. The weight of this case with earpieces is 159 grams. As we see, the look of the earbuds design-wise is very fabulous. It looks very attractive and glossy. The product is made up of high-quality material and the product is long-lasting. On the back side of the earbuds, there is a touch button controller. Duopods are available in multiple colors. The color is available in this Mivi Duopods A25 is black, blue, white and red. Inside the box, the package consists of a pair of Duopods A25 earbuds, a charging case, a charging cable, a few pairs of extra silicone gel ear tips, a welcome card, a user manual, and a warranty card. Pairing speed. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and a stronger, better connection. You are using state-of-art Bluetooth connection. Just remove the Duopods from the charging case and they will automatically turn on. Soon after it turns on, it will automatically connect to your phone, after they are paired, and wow, you're ready to go. That's so simple to use. Controls. Inline touch controls make this Earset perfect. You can use it to activate voice assistant, answer or hang up calls, reject calls, play or pause the music and change the music track. Sound quality. The sound quality is crystal clear, you don't feel pain in your ears. I used it for quite some time, and we can say that the sound quality of the Duopods is really nice. The vocals are clear and the bass is really heavy. Noise cancelling. One might not notice any background noises while listening to songs in high volume. But it doesn't help in cancelling the background noises completely. And yes, no earsets will do that. Call quality. The call quality is considerably okay. Although it does not cancels out the background noises completely, it does minimize them to a certain level. Battery life. Once charged fully, mean you charging this white box having a battery inside. Then you can charge 4 times with the charging case. The earphones take 1 hour to get fully charged. Battery backup is one of the most important in any of the earbuds. The battery backup is around 7.5 hours. Which is good, and in the charging case it says 30 hours of battery backup, which is very good. Especially when you are traveling or going to campus or picnic. It is very useful because there you will unable to get the power point to charge. This will help you to solve most of your battery problems. It provides a battery life of up to 5.5 to 6 hours once fully charged, which gives us a total of 25 to 28 hours with the charging case depending upon the volume. I will suggest keeping 70% volume to push the limits of battery life. Comfort. As we see the look wise, so from the look only we can identify it as compatible. And it can easily fit in your ears, and it has silicone ear tips which are very soft. You can easily wear this for 3 to 4 hours. And then also you will not get any of the pain in your ears. Conclusion. I have personally tested the product, and also we compare it with the other brands. In my opinion, Mivi Duopods A25 price is affordable, it's worth it. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.